Having trouble hearing sound on your iPhone? It can be frustrating, and there are several reasons why this might happen, whether it's due to hardware issues, software glitches, or incorrect settings. But don't worry, in this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and fix the sound issue so your iPhone can start working properly again. Let's dive in. Before you start, turn off low power mode, turn off silent mode. Solution 1. Check the sound level. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Sounds and Haptic. Turn on Change with the button. Also turn up your sounds to the maximum level. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 2. Ensure your iPhone is not connected to a Bluetooth device. Open Settings and tap on Bluetooth. Check if your iPhone is connected to any Bluetooth device, headphones, speaker, etc. If it is, either disconnect the device or toggle Bluetooth off. Test the sound again. Solution 3. Check for software updates. Outdated software could cause sound issues. Open Settings and tap General. Tap Software Update and check if there is an available update. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Once updated, check if the sound issue is fixed. Solution 4. Reset all settings. If the problem persists, resetting all settings can often resolve the issue. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap General, and scroll down to tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset all settings. Confirm your choice. Note, this will not erase your data, but it will reset settings such as Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper. After your iPhone restarts, check if the sound works. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the sound issue on your iPhone. I hope this guide was helpful. If these steps worked for you, or if you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.